In this video, we are going to show you how to remove the background of a video in CapCut Mobile. Now, we're going to start by saying you need Pro, right? You can't do this with the free version. If somebody says you can, they're lying. Don't listen to them. So if you have Pro, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to go to Edit, New Video. We're going to choose the clip for the background. So we're going to choose this one. Click Add. So that is our background, right? Now we're going to choose the video that we want to delete the background of, right? So we are going to tap on Overlay, click on Add Overlay, or tap on Add Overlay, and choose the clip like so. Now this is going to be the video that we are going to remove the background for, right? So, and we're just going to adjust. There you go. So now we're set. We just need to scroll to the left until we see remove BG or remove background. So as you can see, it says here remove BG, tap that. And again, as you can see, there's a diamond icon on the upper right corner of auto removal. That's what we need, auto removal. Again, like what I said, this is for Pro, right? Tap on auto removal. There you go. And then when you press play, press confirm or check mark. There you go. Press play. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but that's how you remove the background. Pretty much it. The video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.